Yung bilog. Ano sa mga
Rescue!
sa kaliwa.
Rescue, ma'am sir! Dito po ang Philippine Coast Guard. Hindi ka mabasa. Yan. Yung isang pamo, ma'am, doon.
Sige, pa ka na dito, ma'am.
Laban ako na dito.
Kaya kita ko, ma'am. Bakan mo lang ako.
Lumublog ka?
Alam po kayo?
Wala na pong iba.
Baka po kasi umangat pa po yung tubig eh, kaya linisan na po. Sa mas mataas po.
Rescue! Nakikita ko yan, sir.
Mamaya makita ko ni mama, sabi ni mama.
Kasama ka sa bandang.
First time nung ngayon na lumaki. Pero lagi na kami binabaha doon. Pero maliit lang, mga hanggang dito. Pero ngayon hanggang lampas tao kasi ngayon eh. Kaya nakatakot. Wala kaming kita. Hindi makapasok sa trabaho. Tapos yung mga bata, walang sa pag-school. Siyempre, talagang na malaking bagay na ang mga baha na nakakatakot din.
Ngayon ang pinakamalaki. Ngayon. Nung Undoy, mas mataas to sa Undoy. Nung araw. Wala katulad nito, hindi ka makapaghanap buhay, contraction. Hindi makapasok. Gawa lang na ulan. Malaking tubig, hindi makagalaw dahil baha doon sa looban namin, baha. Laking tubig.
Apektado talaga dahil ang mga tao, ako may tindahan ako dito, may mga lutong ulam. Hindi makalabas masyado ang mga tao, pati wala halos pera. Kaya apektado din lahat. Apektado ang produksyon kasi hindi makapagluto ng ayos.
Hirap din po talaga. Kasi ang lalim po, lagpas bahay po ang pag bumaha. Lagpas bahay.
Every day, history unfolds.
Small
was to change the lives of millions of people for the better. That's what I came into politics.
A decision is made. A question is asked. A protest begins. A missile is launched. A treaty is signed.
Change the political structures in this country for a long time to come. It is deeply humbling.
A vote is counted. The world changes.
We will have to raise our voices.
We oppose violence, hate. It is not a solution. We demand accountability from the government.
Are we ready?
But before the headlines, before the debates, before the opinions, there is the moment itself. The words that were spoken.
By 2008, we knew that Epstein was a convicted sexual abuser. How was that not a deal breaker for the president?
If you, Congresswoman, asked Bill Clinton that.
The people who lived it. The images that tell the story. Because the closer you are to the event, the closer you are to the truth. At APT, we believe news should begin where history happens, not where the arguments begin.
Or do you want to go there?
That's why we bring you the moments that matter. Accurate, powerful, timely. So you can see more, understand more, and decide for yourself. Accurate, powerful, timely,